To integrate Azure Synapse with GitHub, start by creating a GitHub repository to store your Synapse artifacts, such as SQL scripts, notebooks, and data pipelines. This repository will serve as a version control system for your Synapse projects, allowing you to track changes and collaborate with others. Next, link your GitHub repository to Azure Synapse by going to the Synapse Studio and navigating to the Manage tab. From there, click on Git Configuration and select GitHub as your Git repository. You will be prompted to authenticate with GitHub and authorize Synapse to access your repository. Once your repository is linked, you can start committing your Synapse artifacts to GitHub. This can be done directly from Synapse Studio, where you can right-click on an artifact and select Commit to Git. You can also use Git commands to commit changes from your local machine. To automate the deployment of your Synapse artifacts to different environments, such as development, testing, and production, you can use GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions allow you to define workflows that automate the build, test, and deployment of your code. Best practices for Azure Synapse GitHub integration include using a consistent naming convention for your artifacts and folders, and using branches to manage different versions of your code. You should also use pull requests to review and validate changes before merging them into your main branch. By integrating Azure Synapse with GitHub, you can improve collaboration, version control, and automation of your Synapse projects. This integration enables you to manage your Synapse artifacts in a centralized repository, automate deployments, and track changes to your code. To get started, create a GitHub repository, link it to Azure Synapse, and start committing your Synapse artifacts to GitHub. Use GitHub Actions to automate deployments and follow best practices to ensure a smooth and efficient integration.